You wake up and wonder, is life just work, bills, and weekend dreams? If so, welcome to the financial matrix. It's not sci-fi. It's the invisible web of beliefs and systems trapping us in a cycle where money rules, but is never enough. We're programmed from birth, school, good job, marriage, house, car. This is sold as happiness. We enter it like rookie gamers without a tutorial, blindly following quests. Go to work, slay bills, farm gold. But unlike a game, there's no epic boss or game over screen. We just keep farming because we're taught it's the only way. The first red pill is the rat race. Like a hamster on a wheel, we work, earn, spend more, need more, work more. It's an endless loop of consumption and debt, chasing the next upgrade, new phone, latest car, vacation on installments. We feel accomplished, but what did we conquer? More debt, more ties to the wheel. It's like climbing a descending escalator. You sweat, but don't advance. Then there's the salary trap. You get a raise, thinking, finally, breathing room, but your expenses magically adjust. The gym becomes essential, takeout routine, streaming bills climb. It's like the universe conspires to keep your wallet at zero. You earn double, but feel just as broke. It's a power-up that gives you more health, but throws you into a level with tougher enemies. But what if you could hack this matrix? First, understand money isn't evil. It's a tool. We're using a sword to cut grass instead of fighting the real bosses. Financial ignorance, rampant consumerism, and poor planning. Think of anime masters like Miyagi. They don't give answers. They show you the path. In finance, that path is financial education. Learn money's language, how it works, how to make it work for you. It's like discovering secret game codes. A big matrix myth. You need loads of money to invest. Lies. You don't need to be an Olympic athlete to run. Start small. $10, $20. Plant the seed. Investing is like that slow-growing tree. Nothing seems to happen at first, but with time and consistency, bam! You have a thriving tree, yielding money while you chill. And consumerism? That's the matrix's siren. It promises happiness and status with new shoes or the latest phone, but delivers debt and emptiness soon filled by another invented need. Like expensive game cosmetics, they don't improve gameplay, but make you feel better for minutes. The matrix smiles. Hit reset on your brain. Ask, do I really need this, or am I just conditioned? Happiness isn't bought in stores. Society pushes consumption, debt, and makes you feel like a failure for not following the playbook. Advertising is the matrix's Morpheus, offering the blue pill of conformity. We're often unaware of the control. Buy now, pay later. Later is always an expensive place to live. But don't despair. This is your red pill to show you options. Financial freedom isn't about being a millionaire. It's about having choices. It's your money being your servant, not master. It's peace of mind, not being one step from disaster. It's choosing how to spend your time. It might feel like breaking concrete with your head initially, but every small change, every healthy habit is a blow to the matrix. It's like leveling up in an RPG. Will you keep running that wheel, accepting the salary trap? Or will you take the red pill, question, learn, and invest in your future?